The Elite Gourmet EWM015M electric nonstick 4.5-inch mini waffle maker is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance that delivers delicious homemade waffles with ease. With its special manual feature, this waffle maker allows you to have full control over the cooking process, ensuring perfectly cooked waffles every time. One of the standout features of this waffle maker is its non-stick cooking surface. The non-stick coating prevents the batter from sticking to the plates, making it effortless to remove the waffles without any mess or fuss. This feature also makes cleaning up a breeze, as the waffle maker can be easily wiped down after each use. The mint-colored design of the Elite Gourmet EWM015M adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Its compact size, measuring 6.5 inches in diameter, 4.9 inches in width, and 4 inches in height, allows for easy storage and takes up minimal counter space. Whether you have a small kitchen or limited storage space.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.